The word relationship is derived from words meaning bring back, restore, connection, and sympathy. And interestingly, it also has origins with words meaning correspondence and report, perhaps highlighting the inherent value of communication within relationships. Today, however, we generally use the word relationship to refer to how two or more people regard and behave toward one another. Humans are social creatures, and when we don't invest in high-value relationships with the people in our lives, we become more prone to stress, anxiety, depression, sickness, and injury. And yet, when you do invest the time and effort to foster meaningful relationships with the important people in your life, you become empowered and encouraged with valuable social support to weather any storm and continue moving forward. The question becomes, how are you investing in the important relationships in your life?